This evening, storms damaged several homes and knocked out power on the south side of Pittsburg. Officials from the city of Pittsburg say a tornado did touch down south of the city, taking a path from 180th and 400 Highway in Cherokee and moving northeast towards 270th and 530th east of Pittsburg. While damage was reported to several outbuildings and secondary structures, and there were homes with roof damage, no injuries have been reported at this time. Pittsburg Fire Chief Mike Simon says given the amount of damage, the lack of injuries is a blessing.
I think we did dodge a bullet on this one, just for the sheer fact of the amount of damage that was done, and at least at this point, we're not showing any injuries.
First responders say they'll continue to work through the night to ensure everyone is safe. The area south of town along Langdon Lane and the surrounding area has been closed by the Kansas Highway Patrol. Crews from Westar Energy are also working to restore power to that part of town.